how to pin chat on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to pin chat on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and now just select any chat you want here and hold on it, and here you will find this icon here. Click on it, and as you see, chat have been pinned, and you can unpin chat just by hold here and click this one, unpin, and that's it. It's easy, and that's how to pin chat on WhatsApp. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.